Hi, this is Mrs. M with the Janitorial Spot, and welcome. Thank you so much for visiting our channel, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so that you can receive the latest on all our videos. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So, today I'm going to cheat a little bit and look at my notes. Okay, so one of our members actually asked, what are 3 of the biggest marketing mistakes in the cleaning business industry? So, the first one I would say is not doing your homework when it comes to knowing who you are actually trying to get as a client. You need to understand what is their industry, what they do, how large the account is, number 2, if you feel the culture is the same. So let's say you have a lot of employees that are kind of a little bit more lax when it comes to they're more laid back. They don't have an uptight personality, and you send them to a environment that's like, say, an accounting or a law firm, where if they're working as day porters, the personalities just don't gel. That probably wouldn't be a good fit, and it wouldn't feel great for your customers, nor would it feel good for your employees. So make sure that you do your homework before you actually start to try to obtain that customer as a client. Make sure that it's a good fit on both ends. The second thing I would say is a lot of people expect immediate results when it comes to cleaning, and that is not the case. They feel if they make a connection and go in and visit or call, they're going to get phone calls right back. They're going to get, if they drop off a card, they're going to get the customer, call them back immediately, and that is not the case in the cleaning industry. Unless you've really, really positioned your business where they are trying to get you instead of you're trying to obtain them. Now, there are some cleaning companies that have positioned their companies in a way where they're well sought after, and they are considered something of a unique cleaning company. They've either had great customer service, great referrals. The company knows they're going to do an outstanding job. But a lot of cleaning companies have not gotten into the position where they've positioned their company as such. For the ones that have not, you do not look or expect, or you shouldn't look to expect, an immediate answer. Even though you're trying to make sure that you obtain them as a customer right away, there are lots and lots and lots of other cleaning businesses out there that are actually calling them every single day just like you are. So you once again have to make sure that you position your cleaning company in a way that stands out. And there's lots of ways to do that. And we'll make a video really soon on all the ways your company can stand out. But that is exactly what you need to do. Find something that is unique about your cleaning business, whether it's family owned, it's Christian based, it's a veteran, it's military, whatever it may be. Make sure you really emphasize and hone in on that as a reason why your company is different. And I would say the third biggest cleaning business mistake for marketing is they don't market. They assume that they're going to just magically just have customers that are going to find them, just find them. That's not the case. You have to market, market, market. Market your cleaning business every single day. Do small steps every day that market your cleaning business so that you can be found. That is the way you're found in any business, and especially in cleaning when there's so much competition. There's a lot of competition in cleaning, but there's a lot of opportunities because there are new buildings opening up every day, new residential homes that are being built. There's so much business that you cannot begin to realize there's enough out there for everyone. Everyone can do well in this industry if they really choose to concentrate and to make sure that is what their goal is. If that's their goal, and you take small steps every day to get better and better, you will reach your goal. So have a fantastic day. Once again, make sure you visit us at www.thejanitorialspot.com or give us a call at 1-800-601-2730 extension 106. We also make sure that we have our membership. It's called the Inner Membership, and we go through step by step on ways to have you start or grow your business. And we have small business startup packages for cleaning companies. So if you're interested, make sure to visit us. Until next time, have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.